Hello everyone and welcome back to the closing summary. Today Nifty 50 started on a weaker note, falling low to 15,606 points before recovering during the second half of the session and finally closing at 15,800 levels. Domestic equity markets witnessed a smart recovery as investors adopted a buy on dip strategy. Up close, Nifty 50 ended 0.08% higher, Sensex ended 0.15% higher, whereas Bank Nifty ended 0.28% lower. Primarily, the recovery in benchmark indices is due to the gains in the Reliance Industry shares, which closed at 2,244 rupees, up by 1.4%. Nifty IT was the sole gainer among the sectoral indices today. Major European markets edged higher ahead of the US Federal Reserve's policy meeting scheduled to start on Tuesday, on the hope that the central bank will keep the interest rates unchanged. Asian markets ended mixed today as investors kept their positions light ahead of the US Federal Reserve's policy meeting. The trade also remained muted as major markets like Australia, Taiwan, China, Hong Kong were closed for public holidays. Among the Nifty 50 stocks, Tata Motors, Reliance Industries, Wipro, Divis Lab and Bajaj Finance are the top gainers, whereas Adani Ports, Coal India, HDFC, Kodak Bank and Maruti Suzuki are the top losers. The highlight of today's sessions are shares of Adani Group companies. The shares crashed as the NSDL showed names of 3 foreign portfolio investors under frozen accounts that held significant stakes in Adani Enterprises, Adani Transmission, Adani Green Energy and Adani Total Gas. However, few group stocks having better fundamentals recovered from the lows after the company clarified that these FPIs are holding shares for the last 10 years. Care Rating shares surged over 8%, hitting a 15-month high of 651 rupees after the company reported robust Jan to March earnings despite COVID-19-led disruptions and also gave a positive outlook for coming quarters. The company's consolidated net profits for Jan to March jumped 69% to 15.68 crores. Major corporate earning releases to watch for tomorrow: LIC Housing Finance, PFC and Whirlpool. Investors will be watching consumer price inflation data. Institutions are seen lightening their positions ahead of the US Federal Reserve's policy meeting decision due on Wednesday. Today's market recovery from lows again confirms that the overall base trend of the market will remain bullish and a buy on dip strategy is best suited until the index is holding above 15,450 levels. Technically, for Nifty 50, 15,800 levels is a strong hurdle and a strong close above that level is very crucial for the current momentum to stay. Support levels for Nifty 50 is placed at 15,650 to 15,550. Bank Nifty trend also remains bullish as the index managed to recover the morning losses and closed above 34,800 levels. On the upside, the index can retest at 35,500 to 35,800 level. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe and follow us for regular updates like these. Do like, share and comment as well. Namaste.